I'm on the side of the road and I just got assigned a job to tow your customer's car. I want to demonstrate to you the plight of towers in handling towing and roadside calls on all of these modern cars. But first, let me show you what towers are accustomed to dealing with on events like this, starting with door handles. Behind me is a 2023 F-150. Here is what the entry method looks like for this truck. For this vehicle, we simply turn the key in the lock cylinder and it opens. This is our modern car. Check out how complicated this design is versus the F-150. You need one of three things to get in this car. You need a key fob, a key card, or utilize phone as key. Without one of those three things, you're not getting in. Nothing on the outside of this door is mechanical. Everything here is electronic, and we've even lost the traditional lock cylinder. In fact, if there is an electrical complication with the car, the tower could find themselves locked in the vehicle if they do not know about this emergency release on the door. Jump starting the vehicle to restore power is another common occurrence for the tower. This is how towers are accustomed to performing a jump start on a dead vehicle. Open the hood, and you can jump start the battery. To jump start the modern car, we can't even open the door. And even if we could, we don't have a front trunk release. So this is what we need to do. The first course of action is to pop open this tow eyelet cover. From here, we need to energize these jump leads just to get the front trunk open. Once we have the front trunk open, we remove the service panel to access the jump posts. Now that we have access to the jump leads, we're gonna make the connections to the vehicle. We're gonna energize the vehicle for 20 to 30 seconds, disconnect the vehicle, and then we can finally go inside the vehicle and see if we can shift the drive. If we can shift the drive, we have a successful jump start here. When loading a car, ideally it rolls. This would obviously mean getting the vehicle into neutral. Unlock and open the door, pull the park override tether, and the vehicle rolls. Here's the exact same scenario, but now in the modern car. First, the vehicle needs to have power. From there, you need to be able to turn the vehicle on, and only then can you put it in tow mode. And let me show you what that looks like. On the infotainment screen, bottom left-hand corner, I'm gonna press the vehicle icon. I'm gonna go to service, scroll down, select towing, place our foot on the brake, enter tow mode, and now we have the vehicle in a state where it will roll and we can load it onto a carrier. There is no readily available OEM endorsed content and zero input from the motor clubs in handling these cars during towing and roadside events. In fact, instead of solutions, the internet is a hotbed of outrage, panic, and sensationalized chaos that can destroy brand loyalty in a single viral event. That's why we developed technology that delivers video content straight to the tower the moment they accept the job. We utilize video streaming to deliver towers the resources, guidance, and answers they need to handle any vehicle safely and efficiently down to the year, make, model, and service type, which in turn has created confidence in your brand and the after-sales experience that your customer expects. Fewer damage claims, less headaches, happy customers. This is the Loom Academy.